Hi, I'm Lindsay Bell with Global Markets Intelligence at S&P Capital IQ. I'll be covering the market outlook for the U.S. and Europe. With most of the S&P 500 having reported results, the third quarter earnings season turned out to be very solid. Not only has the earnings momentum we spoke about in the last Lookout report continued, but margin performance remains elevated and beat rates are at historically high levels. Currently, analysts expect earnings growth for the third quarter of 8.9% to $29.97. That compares to expectations for an increase of only 6.7% at the start of earnings season on October 1st. If we dig into the sector performance, the magnitude of increases in earnings growth rates for the materials, healthcare, energy, and industrial sectors has been quite impressive. In fact, it is somewhat surprising that the more economically sensitive sectors have not been held back by this subpar U.S. economic recovery cycle. Positive earnings surprises has been a key characteristic of the quarter, which at a rate of 74% is far outpacing the historical rate of 64%. This is a good indicator of the strength of the quarter. Margins have been a large contributor to that performance. Third quarter margins estimates currently stand at 9.8%, which compares to a 10-year average of 7.6%. What's more is that the margins have easily remained above 9.5% since the second quarter of 2013, driven by cost controls and technological advances. In Europe, the S&P Euro 350 continued a choppy recovery after reaching a low in October. Last week, European Central Bank President Mario Draghi said he is willing to deploy additional stimulus if necessary. This statement came after the European Union downwardly revised its growth forecast for the region earlier in the week. Despite that, earnings growth outlook remains robust. It's 9.6% for 2014. Technology and financials continue to lead growth this year, while the defensive sectors lag. Looking beyond 2014, double-digit earnings growth remains the S&P Capital IQ consensus, both domestically and in Europe. GMI research remains bullish on the U.S. economy and the outlook for the equity market in the coming year, and the impressive third quarter earnings results provide a solid foundation to support this call. Until next time, I'm Lindsay Bell with S&P Capital IQ.